In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Prep Editor tool with the iTero Lumina scanner. The Prep Editor tool helps ensure optimal scan quality before sending the case to the lab. It enables precise capture of all critical margins and surfaces, improving restoration outcomes and reducing the likelihood of remakes. The Prep Editor tool allows you to review, and if needed, rescan specific areas of a tooth preparation. This is especially useful when mechanical obstructions, like tissue collapse, prevent clear visibility of the margin line. The Prep Editor tool can be used in the following circumstances to recapture margin areas: double cord retraction method, utilizing retraction paste, and in the presence of saliva or blood contamination. Let's start with rescanning multiple adjacent preps at one time. You can edit and rescan a portion of a prep, an entire prep, or multiple preps if needed. To use the Prep Editor tool, zoom in on the area from the occlusal point of view. Tap on the Prep Editor icon. Tap on the Select and Rescan button. Circle the area and any adjacent contacts you wish to rescan. Ensure the contact area is included in the selected areas. This will help achieve a seamless mesh between the arch and the area that was rescanned. Tap on the Rescan button and the selected surface will be erased. To capture any missing areas on the preps, indicated by dark blue, gently rock the wand buccally and lingually. Keep scanning in a circular motion, making contact with the teeth adjacent to the preps to capture any missed areas. Verify that all dark blue areas have been captured and that all required data from the adjacent teeth has been obtained. Verify the rescanned area isn't sitting at the bottom right corner of the screen and is stitched into the arch. Once complete, tap on the Done button and move to post-processing to evaluate your scan. Now let's take a look at how to adjust and rescan one prep at a time. In this case, the preps are adjacent and nearly touching. Zoom in closely to make it easier to mark the areas between them. Tap on the Prep Editor button and then on the Select and Rescan button to mark the surface. This will help achieve a seamless mesh between the arch and the area that was rescanned. The marked area should not overlap the adjacent prep, only the contact area. Tap on the Rescan button and the selected surface will be erased. Once complete, tap on the Done button. To capture any missing areas on the prep, indicated by dark blue, gently rock the wand buccally and lingually. Keep scanning in a circular motion, making contact with the teeth adjacent to the prep to capture any missed areas. To ensure proper stitching, scan an area slightly larger than the section that was removed. While scanning, the arch scan remains the same. Once complete, tap on the Done button. Now, repeat the same flow to the adjacent prep. Zoom in very closely from the occlusal view and tap on the Select and Rescan button. Mark the surface, including the adjacent prep. You can undo the selection if it's not done correctly and mark the area again. Tap on the Rescan button and scan in the same flow, rocking and circling motion. Verify that all dark blue areas have been captured and that all required data from the adjacent teeth has been obtained. Once complete, tap on the Done button and move to post-processing to evaluate your scan. After the scan is processed, you may notice a color difference between the arch and the adjusted area. The color variation has no impact on the quality of the scan. In monochrome, the stitching will be seamless. It starts with iTero.